Welcome back to Hash&Harvest Farms. Emphasis on harvest today. We are getting some cucumbers ready for pickling. It's very important to stay on top of your cucumber production and harvesting. If you let these things sit on the plant too long, the plant will think that it's did its job in reproduction and it'll start to kill the plant. It's really important to pull off the cucumbers as they become ready. And when pickling, don't forget the dill. Cucumber will continue to ripen if you leave this little blossom on. And since it's going to be sitting for about a week, we want to make sure that we cut that blossom off to have nice, crispy pickles. Pickles come in all shapes and sizes, but for this, we're sticking with the classic pickle spear. We are keeping this recipe pretty simple. Some fresh garlic, some fresh dill. Gonna put some vinegar in here. You can take pickling to whatever level that you'd like. Just keeping it simple for this one. Now we're gonna make a salt brine for our pickles. Just added a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. It's actually 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar. Stir that up till it's simmering. We're gonna pour it over the pickles. A little Hash&Harvest vessel swap.